Stanford University ranks high in the field of physics, economics, engineering, philosophy, English literature, psychology, political science, history, and so on. Professional graduate schools are also among the top U.S. graduates. Business, law, medical, and engineering graduate schools are at the top. Stanford University is located near Silicon Valley, a world-class high-tech industrial park, as offer more opportunity for education and researches. Silicon Valley's Google, Yahoo, Hewlett-Packard, NVIDIA, PayPal, Sun Microsystems, Cisco Systems, Nike, Victoria's Secret founders all come from this school. U.S. President Hubert and J.F. Kennedy, also Daro Japanese Prime Minister, Warren Christopher, William Ferry, Mark Lippert, Susan Rice, Mitt Romney, Tiger Woods, Michelle V, Steve Ballmer. Those big name people are also alumni of the Stanford. So far, 83 Nobel laureates have associated with Stanford University as students or professors. 17 Nobel laureates are currently in attendance as professors.
BTS. Are you ready for this? 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
아리랑 나라리요 아리랑 고개로 넘어간다 나를 버리고 가시는 님은 진리도 못 가서 발병난다.
About 2,000 students are admitted each year through 4% acceptance rate. Among undergraduate students, 23% are Asian students. In average, around 40 students are reportedly Korean. Stanford is free to all students from families that earn less than $125,000 per year. Room and boards are also often exempted when family circumstances are difficult. More accepted students won't have to pay anything for tuition, which normally runs nearly $55,000 a year. As of 2018, Stanford University's donation fund has the fourth largest donation fund. It's about $26 billion. Among U.S. universities after Harvard University, it's about $38 billion. Huge horse ranch totaling 8,200 acres was dedicated to the campus of today's Stanford University. After 6 years of preparatory works and civil engineering, Stanford University opened on October 1st, 1891. It's nearly 130 years ago.
심리도 못 가서 발병난다. 반만년 지켜왔지. 긍지와 자부심 모든 거 이겨왔지. 꺾인 적 없어 한 번도. 또 한 번 큰 걸음 시작한 여기 뜨거운 해가 떠오르는 밝은 땅. 아리아리 스리스리 아라리요 아리아리 고개로 넘어간다. 만나보세 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 아리아리 천사로 만나보세. 아리아리 스리스리 아라리요 아리아리 고개로 넘어간다. 나를 빠지고 가시는 님은 심리도 못 가서 발병난다.
Thank you for your watching and have a sunny day.